Come on, it's from the team white group of Switzerland. Come on, guys, thank you. Wow, that was an exciting demonstration. I thought you guys were going to be hitting each other or hurting each other, you know? Right, okay. Congratulations for being inducted in the Hall of Fame, Philippine Martial Arts Hall of Fame just recently. Of course, you are
Thank you so much.
Master Jeff Haynes, or Panis. All right, and why don't you introduce the rest of the group, Master Jeff?
I would like to introduce the whole Hall of Famer group. This is Justin Rhea, one of my
Justin, woo!
John Colkin, one of my instructors as well. Jack Meyer, he's one of my students. And John's brother, Anton Colkin. And of course, our friend from Denmark, Matilda.
The only corner among the roses. Okay, of course, again, many congratulations for being inducted to the Hall of Fame, the Team White Group from Switzerland. Jeff, Master Jeff, you are, of course, the leader of the group, and you also taught them the art of the arnis. But you're not truly, you're a Filipino,
yes,
of course, but you did not grow up in the Philippines. Well, how did arnis gravitate? How did you gravitate to arnis? I just want to find out.
Well, actually, I grew up in the Philippines, but until like
yeah, how old were you when you left?
I was 17 when I left.
17.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, my family were already practicing arnis before, and it was when I came to Switzerland. I didn't know that arnis was very popular there.
Oh,
yeah, nobody knows about it.
Uh-huh.
Alongside with Kung Fu, karate, and other different types of martial arts. And then when I went there, there's a lot of schools who are already